Imagine this. What if you could launch your own online business today, even if you have zero technical skills and almost no money to invest? It might sound too good to be true, but the reality is, with the right tools and a bit of guidance, it's absolutely possible, even for complete beginners. Sounds wild, right? But stick with me because I'm about to show you exactly how you can make this happen, step by step. In this video, you'll discover not just one, but two incredibly simple Canva AI business ideas that are already making people over $2,390 a month. And the best part? You don't need any prior experience, fancy equipment, or a big budget to get started. Forget about complicated online schemes or get-rich-quick scams. These are real, sustainable businesses powered by Canva's brand new AI tools, where the artificial intelligence does most of the heavy lifting for you, saving you time and effort. I'll walk you through every single step, from brainstorming and creating your digital product, to setting up your online store, and even landing your very first paying customer. I'm handing you two complete, ready-to-use business models. No fluff, no hidden secrets, just actionable strategies you can start using right away. So, are you ready to see just how easy and accessible making money online can be? Let's dive in and get started on your journey to online success. Business idea number one, an AI-powered social media content agency. Imagine a world where small businesses can effortlessly maintain a vibrant online presence without the hassle of creating content themselves. Small businesses need social media content, but lack time and skills. That's where you come in. You become the bridge between their needs and the digital world, offering them a lifeline to stay relevant and competitive. Offer them a package 30 posts a month, fully done for them. This means they can focus on what they do best, running their business, while you handle their online persona. How? Canva's Magic Studio. It's like a magic wand for content. With just a few clicks, you can transform ideas into visually stunning posts that capture attention. Open Canva, find magic design, and type a simple prompt. Instagram post for a local coffee shop announcing a new vanilla bean latte. It's as easy as typing a sentence, and the AI does the rest. The AI generates multiple designs instantly, different styles, layouts, and images. You have a variety of options to choose from, ensuring each post is unique and tailored to the business's brand. Pick your favorite, tweak the colors, or add a logo, and you're done in seconds. This customization ensures that the content aligns perfectly with the business's identity. The AI even writes captions for you. Just personalize and move on. This feature saves you time and ensures that the messaging is consistent and engaging. In minutes, you've created a professional post. Repeat with new prompts for a full month's content in a single afternoon. Imagine the relief for business owners knowing their social media is handled. Now, how do you get clients? Easy. Search Google Maps for local businesses, coffee shops, salons, gyms. These are the places that thrive on community engagement and need a strong online presence. Check their social media. If it's outdated or missing, they're your target. These businesses are missing out on potential customers and need your expertise. Create 3 sample posts for a business using their name and colors. This shows them the potential of what their social media could look like with your help. Email them. Hi business name, I made these free posts for you. If you like them, I offer a monthly package to keep your social media fresh. This approach is non-intrusive and offers value up front. You're not selling, you're solving a problem. You're offering a solution that saves them time and enhances their business's visibility. Charge $300/month for 30 posts. That's $10 a post, a steal for them, and great profit for you. It's a win-win situation where both parties benefit significantly. Land 1 client, that's $300/month. 5 clients, $1,500 month for a few hours work. The potential for growth is immense and the effort remains minimal. The process is digital, so you can work with clients anywhere. Whether you're at home or traveling, your business is always with you. Start by picking a business type, find 10 prospects, make samples, and send emails. This systematic approach ensures you're always reaching out to potential clients. This works because you're offering a real solution, professional, affordable, and hands-off for the business owner. They get to see tangible improvements in their online presence. The AI does the heavy lifting so you can scale easily. As your client base grows, the workload doesn't increase proportionally, allowing you to manage more clients efficiently. Don't overthink it. Just start. The first step is always the hardest, but once you begin, the path becomes clearer. Even if you're a total beginner, you can build a real business with Canva AI. The tools are intuitive and the learning curve is gentle. The opportunity is huge. Local businesses everywhere need this. Every shop, cafe, and service provider can benefit from a stronger online presence. You're not just making posts. You're helping businesses grow online. Your work directly contributes to their success and customer engagement. With Canva AI, you can batch create, customize, and deliver content faster than ever. This efficiency means you can take on more clients without compromising quality. The more clients you get, the more you earn, and the process stays simple. Your income potential is directly tied to your ability to reach out and connect with businesses. No design skills, no marketing degree, just a willingness to try. The tools are designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to anyone willing to learn. This is the easiest way to start a digital agency today. With minimal overhead and a straightforward process, you can launch your business from your living room. Remember, you're not limited by location. Reach out to businesses worldwide. The internet connects us all, and your potential client base is global. The only thing stopping you is taking that first step. Once you do, you'll find a world of opportunities waiting. Open Canva, try Magic Design, and see how fast you can create. The speed and ease of use will amaze you and inspire confidence in your new venture. Send those first emails. You'll be surprised at the response. Businesses are eager for solutions, and your offer could be exactly what they need. This is your chance to build a real, profitable business from your laptop. The flexibility and potential for growth are unparalleled. Let's move to the next idea. The world of AI-powered business opportunities is vast and full of potential. Business idea number 2, building a passive income stream with digital printables on Etsy. If you've ever dreamed of earning money while you sleep, this is one of the most accessible and creative ways to do it. Printables are digital files. Think planners, invitations, wall art, checklists, or even educational worksheets that customers buy, download, and print at home. There's no need to worry about inventory, packaging, or shipping. It's a business model built entirely on digital products, which means your profit margins can be incredibly high. With printables, you don't have to handle any physical products. No inventory, no shipping headaches, and no dealing with returns. Once you upload your design, it can sell over and over again, generating pure digital profit with every sale. Not a professional designer? Don't worry. Canva's AI-powered tools are your creative partner, making it easy for anyone to design beautiful, professional-looking printables, even if you've never used design software before. Let's walk through an example. Say you want to make a set of nursery wall art. Open Canva, set your custom dimensions, and use the Magic Design feature to get started. In the search bar, type something like minimalist nursery wall art with a cute baby elephant and the quote, "Dream big, little one." Canva's AI will instantly generate a range of adorable designs for you to choose from. You'll see multiple design options appear in seconds. Scroll through, pick your favorite, and you're already halfway to a finished product. Want to create a matching set? Simply duplicate the page, use Magic Write to generate more inspiring quotes, and create a cohesive collection of prints. You can easily make a set of 3 or 5 coordinating designs in just a few clicks. In as little as 20 minutes, you'll have a beautiful, sellable product ready to go. The process is fast, fun, and incredibly rewarding. Next, it's time to set up your Etsy shop. The process is free, straightforward, and only takes a few minutes. You'll be joining a marketplace with millions of buyers searching for unique digital products every day. To make your listings stand out, use Canva's smart mockups to create professional-looking product photos. Place your designs in realistic frames or settings. No need to print anything out or hire a photographer. Write a compelling product description using Magic Write, making sure to include keywords like nursery decor, printable wall art, and instant download. This helps your product get discovered by shoppers searching on Etsy. Price your set at $9 or whatever feels right for your market. Because it's an instant download, you get paid immediately with every sale. No waiting for shipping or delivery. Here's the magic. One digital product can sell hundreds, even thousands of times with zero extra effort from you. Once it's listed, it keeps working for you around the clock. Imagine spending a weekend creating 20 different printables, art, planners, invitations, checklists, and more. Each one is a new opportunity for passive income. Even if each printable only sells once a day at a $5 profit, that's $100 a day or $3,000 a month. And as your shop grows, those numbers can multiply quickly. The more products you add, the more you earn. Each new listing is like planting a seed for another income stream. Over time, your shop can become a true digital asset. Use Canva's AI to create printables for every niche imaginable: weddings, business planners, home organization, kids' activities, holiday decor, and so much more. The possibilities are truly endless. Best of all, you don't need any special skills, expensive software, or fancy equipment. If you can use a computer and follow simple steps, you can build a printables business. Your business grows with every new product you create and list. Each design adds to your earning potential, and your shop's reputation builds over time. Thousands of people are already making real money with this model. Some have even turned their Etsy printable shops into full-time businesses, earning 6 figures or more. Start with just one idea. Build your shop step by step and watch your income grow as your products reach customers all over the world. Open Canva, brainstorm a list of 10 printable ideas, think about what people need, what's trending, or what you wish existed. Then create your first product and get it ready for sale. Set up your Etsy shop, use mock-ups to make your listings look professional, and upload your product. You're now officially in business. Congratulations. You've just built a digital asset that can generate passive income for months or even years to come. The more you create, the more you earn. 24/7, even while you sleep. Your shop works for you around the clock, making sales from customers in every time zone. This is real, and it's happening right now for thousands of creators. There's no reason you can't be one of them. Anyone can do this with Canva AI. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, the tools are accessible to everyone. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start building your printables empire today. The sooner you start, the sooner you can see results. The tools are free, the market is huge, and the opportunity is right now. There's never been a better time to get started. Let's wrap up with your action plan. Brainstorm ideas, create your first printable, set up your Etsy shop, and list your product. Then repeat and scale. Are you ready to take the leap and start your own passive income printables empire? The only thing standing between you and your first sale is getting started. You've just seen 2 step-by-step business models you can start today with Canva AI. No skills needed, just motivation and a little time. These are real businesses that can change your financial future. Pick one idea and start now. Open Canva, create your first design, and take action. If this helped, hit subscribe and tell us in the comments: social media machine or printables empire. Which will you try? Now go build something amazing.